Keep your manners intact and your back to the wall. Your hands always clean and your ego keeps small. Keep your shirt buttoned and your laces tight. You never do over what you already tried. Have respect to the boss and always speak nice. A good monkey listen to this old advice. If you hate, you won't raise, you will not get a slap on that frozen expression of a dog on the lap. Be polite and in tone with a general view, then you know happiness and will crawl up to you. Be part of the gang, be like us, be just one of that kind of culture that make this place run. Be a good boy and we'll give you a bone. It's not hard to forget that you are but a clone. Yeah.
And